Hello, hi everyone. Welcome to the Student the Brand. This is our Shiva sir. Today we are going to discuss about light reflection and refraction. Light reflection and refraction chapter. Right? Shall we discuss light reflection and refraction? Okay. So in the previous class, you can observe we did a few questions, answers, few questions, right? Uh, hi, hi everybody. Welcome to the class. So this is our Shiva sir. Today we are going to discuss about light reflection and refraction. Hi Daniel, how are you? So what happened yesterday? You didn't attend. Busy? Hey Aish. Hey, what happened here? Both of you not attended. So why always electric current and light reflection? Please do. See, I you are not attending continuously. That is a concern. I am doing remaining chapters also. When you have exams, I am doing. Sir, I am suffering from fever. Oh, Ayush. Oh my God. So get well soon. Oh, that is the reason you didn't attend. Okay, okay. What happened, Daniel? So your class topics you want? So take care. Take care. Take care, Ayush. We health is very important. We must take care about our health. Later, automatically remaining things will come. Oh, okay. So because of health issue, you didn't join. So now you recovered from fever, right? Now you are good. That's the reason. Any other concerns? Any other topics? Yeah, definitely, Daniel. I understood your concern. We will work out. I am working. See, remaining topics I am working. So better I'll try. So I'll get. Good evening, sir. What is your name? Bakusta something. Can I know your name? Hi, good evening. What is your name? Bakusta something is there. Can I know your name? Okay, so a few more minutes. I'll start the class. Just no, if everyone join and interact with each other. While class is going on, we may not get time to interact. That's the reason I'm going through it. So if you have any concerns, any doubts, Ayush, I'm working on it, Ayush. So it's working. It's under construction. Definitely, we'll see. We'll plan. Okay, what is your name? So still you didn't. Still, no, I didn't get name. Shall we start? If everyone says yes, I'll start. So please do like and share and subscribe my channel. So that will reach to the remaining students also. Remaining students also, they will join. They can listen the class. Let's go. Come on, Ayush. Very good. So ready with the pen and book? See, we are working so hard to get done, get into the right track. So try to get pen and book and work on it. So now we can see. So one more question. List two possible ways. Two possible ways. Two possible ways. See, it's not about only concepts. We are working on questions and problems also. Questions and problems. That is the reason. Don't think only sir is explaining concept. So only that only is happening. So remaining this not happening. Don't think like that. So here we are discussing problems plus theory plus problems. Theory plus problems combined. Theory plus problems. Okay, including question and answers. That's why. Okay, so make sure that take pen and book and try to work with me. Note down. So two possible ways in which okay, in which a concave mirror so you can write along with me. To concave mirror can produce a magnified image of an object placed in front of it. So in front of it. Ayush, now it is clear all, I hope. Is it clear now? In front of it. Full stop. State the difference. State the difference if any. Actually, we discussed this question, but again, I am discussing. So once again, check once. So if any, between these two, between these two images. Okay, check once here. So question is this one. Those are attending. So check once here. To list two possible ways in which a concave mirror can produce a magnified image of an object placed in front of it. State difference. Okay, so magnified image, concave mirror produce magnified image. That we have to understand. Magnified image, they are saying. So you can see two possible ways. They are saying. Two possible ways. So list two possible ways in which a concave mirror can produce a magnified image of an object placed in front of it. State the difference. Object at F and object between F and P. See, here, very good. Whatever you said, correct only. But the point is, finite image we have to get. So if you place the object at focus, image will form at infinity. If you place the object at f, image will form at infinity. So that we cannot take. So we should get a finite image. So another case is there. So I'm taking first one here. So magnified image. So which mirror is given? Concave mirror. So they given concave mirror. First point is concave mirror. So we have to underline that point. So concave mirror given. Second point is magnified image. Magnified image of an object. So second point, magnified image of an object. So this is the second point. So concave mirror, magnified image. Concave mirror, magnified image. Two cases. Case. So case we can see. So I'm taking the concave mirror. So this 3 marks question, one of the exam, okay, so in that they asked this question, 3 marks question they asked for 3 marks. 3 marks for 3 marks, very, very important. For 3 marks, very, very important. So practice this question. Practice this question, very, very important for 3 marks. Very, very important for 3 marks. So first case is, so this is a pole, focus, center of curvature, object is placed between C and F. Object is placed between C and F. One light I am taking like this. So it passes through focus. Another light ray I am taking. So it incident the pole. So those light rays will meet here. The image will form here. The image will form here. Okay. So like this. So this is the case. So in this case we can observe, in this case object is placed between C and F. So image will form at beyond C. Nature of the image is real inverted, real and inverted. Size of the image is so image is diminished. Image is enlarged only, right? See, enlarged image. Magnified in the sense enlarged image. So we have to underline. So magnified means enlarged image. Enlarged image. Magnified means enlarged image. So keep in mind, very, very important. Magnified means enlarged image. Magnified means enlarged image. Magnified means enlarged image. If the object is placed between C and F, image will be formed beyond center of curvature. Beyond center of curvature, image is magnified, real inverted and magnified image. 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 Coming to the second one. So here I am considering. So one more case. So this alone, they will ask for 3 marks. This question is very, 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 very important. This question is, hi sir, I am Kiran, your old student in school. You are my favorite teacher, sir. Hey, what is your name? What is your name? Can I know your name? Kiran. Kiran, sir. Okay. Hi. So, thank you so much for attending. Okay. Thank you very much. So, this is the pole, focus, center of curvature, pole, focus and center of curvature. If the object is placed, so objects definitely, so I am saying this question is very, very important. Very, 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 very. How many times you will multiply? That means infinity times. Infinity times you multiply with the very important. That many times important. Okay, so that many times important, this question. So this question is very, very important. Practice 100 times, practice 1000 times until you get it. So even in your dreams also that question should come. Concave mirror, object is placed between F and P, so image will form behind the mirror. Nature of the image, virtual, erect and enlarged image. So very, very important 3 marks question. So when you are sleeping, don't read like this. So your parents may think, so what happened to my my son or my daughter, like that. Okay, so don't read don't read out in dream in while going to sleep by closing eyes. So just you can recall, before going to the sleep. Just if you remember, if you close your eyes, and recognize and recall, so the important topics, then automatically see your brain is very powerful. Your brain is very, very powerful. So before going to sleep, whatever content you give to your brain, so it revises multiple times. Even we can't recognize. So that's the reason before going to sleep, we should not watch the mobile. Because what happens, so it will, what are the content, if you are preparing, if you are watching good content like my class. So, like a subject type, if you are preparing, that will be good. Automatically, it will goes to your brain, so it will recall, so it can remember, so can do well in exams, right? So if other content watch, it will keep in mind. Automatically, it will repeat. It's like a recycle. There are billions of nerves are there, billions of nerves. Okay, so what happens? Whatever information you are giving to the brain, so it keep on circulating. Total internal reflection, when light passes inside of the medium. So when it is passing from denser to again, so rarer, so it reflect back into the same medium. Multiple reflection, even diamond you can see. So when our light enters, so because of total internal reflection, it shines. So when you keep the diamond in the sun, automatically, like infra under the sun or under the light, you can see, then we can able to get that shining. So here also, whenever you send that information to the brain before going to sleep, then it multiply many times. You can't even recognize. See one thing, so did you observe or not? Once see one point I will tell. So here, whenever you prepared one concept or one topic, so now like a normal before exams, but that whatever you prepare the content during exams, we can recall, even though you didn't prepare that question before exam, but still you can able to manage to write the question. How it is possible? Because when you are keep on no when you are keep on learning, keep on so giving information to the brain. What happened? Suddenly you got into that point. Okay, so that's fine. So come to the point now. Okay, so see, when you are entering, when you are giving the information to the brain, what happens? Automatically, it keep on circulating. You can remember very well in extraordinary manner. You can remember. Okay, na? So that is like it is. These are the study techniques. And one more thing. If you write all the formulas, if you write all the content on one page, so if you keep on watch daily, so if you go to like normally I will tell one thing. So one more technique. So this first technique is before sleeping, before going to sleep. Okay, so if you read any concept or if you are reading any topic, so that will goes to your brain automatically. So it will repeat many times. And the second point. What is second point? If you write, all the important content like formulas, so like a topics, if on one page or in one book, so if you're every time you are opening and no seeing that book, so that number page number and where you have written the line, so which line from bottom of the page or top of the page or side of the page or left side or right side, top or bottom, we can remember even that line and even that sentence, even that with color also, with what color you have written also. Thank you so much. Definitely I will tell. So I born on a extraordinary, okay, so very well-known date, everyone, very well-known date, that's enough, okay, that is February 14th. I born on February 14th. Okay, so come to the point. So now we are going to the next one. Next one is study technique 2. I said first one is, before going to sleep you have to read the topic, or you can listen my like classes. You can listen my classes also, so you can learn very well. So it goes to your brain. So it will repeat many times. You can remember very well also. So better you can write a notes. If you are writing notes, it will be effective. And the second point is writing on one book. So opening and seeing that book every time. Like if you see, just one example I will tell. Sir, you are seeing problems again. You are coming to the study techniques. See, when we are taking the class, not only content, along with the content. So not only content. So how to remember that content also very important. How to remember that content, how to recall that content, how to write in the exam, that is very, very important. These are the exam tips. So this is a part of teaching. So you can learn these points also, very, very important. And one more thing, one example I will tell. So why we have to write a notes? So why we have to write a notes? That is very important. So that is I'm telling. So why we have to write a notes? Okay, so why we have to give more importance to writing a running notes or by our own notes? So if you go to any tourist place, so you'll observe everything. You will observe everything, right? So starting to until ending. So how the place is there, so how the environment is there. So like each and every detail, each and every minor detail, you'll get to know. Okay, you'll get to know. So after a few days, if you go once again, what you'll do, you can observe few more details. If you observe, we can observe few more details. First time, few details you may miss. So like how the greenery, how the environment, how the places are there, where we'll get food, where we have to play. So like that. Okay. So if you go to tourist place, then second time you can recognize, you can identify few more points. And third time, still, so the including the first place, including the second point, third point also you can remember. Fourth time, fifth time, if you go by closing your eyes, whoever comes to besides of you, so you will tell, see there right side, left side. So after few steps, so that place is there. So there we will sit and happily have lunch, have dinner, and like that. Okay, so there is a good place, extraordinary place. We'll get fresh air. We can sit over there, places like that. So there, water is very good. So we can drink water. So that there's hotel will be there. So there we can eat food like that. So you will tell those points also. How can you tell all these points? Because so when you are repeating, when you are keep on repeating and going and visiting the places, so it will be fixed in your brain. So even without closing eyes, you can say to your friends or your family members or your mother or father, like that, you can tell to those places, about those places you can tell. The same thing here also. There also same thing. If you are writing notes, if you are writing one-time notes, it's a one-time if you write properly with your own hands. Okay. So if you are getting other notes also fine. So if you are getting one notes, or if your own notes or other notes also fine. So if you write your own notes with your own hands, then you can recall better. Okay. So one time you are repeating, one side you are reading, again another time you are reading. So third time, fourth time, fifth time, sixth time. So next time when you are opening the book, so you can recognize the how the letters are written, how the format is there, where is the question, how they will ask, what type of questions are there, how the content is there, how many questions are there from this one, and what type of content is there in this page. At the bottom of the page, what is the answer we can get. At the top of the, how many questions are there. So which line describes the definition of particular one. Like that, each and every minor detail will get it. Okay, so like that. That's why I'm saying. So these are all points are very, very important. So make sure that so you can follow these points. Surely it can increase increase your preparation methods, preparation level, and you can do well in exams, and your memory power also will increases. And one more tip is that I will tell at the end or in middle, definitely. So come to the point. Next one I'm saying here. If the object is placed between F and P, if the object is placed between F and P, if the object is placed between F and P, where image will form? Where image will form? So the image will form here. The image will form. The image will form behind the mirror. The image will form behind the mirror. So where is the object is placed between F and P? Object is placed between F and P. Where image will form? Where image will form? Where image will form? Where image will form? Image will form. Concept of 10th class. Yes, Sukla. Very good. Correct only. Concept of 10th class only. First of all, hi. Large behind the mirror. Yeah, very good. Correct. So, it's not about when we came. It's about what we do. Okay. If the object is placed between F and P, object is placed between F and P, object is placed between F and P, object is placed between F and P. Very, very important. Why I am saying this many times means because this point is very, very important. I'm in 10, I'm in 12th. Yeah, these topics are helpful for 12th also. For 12th grade also, these topics are helpful. In depth, if you go, it definitely it will completely to yours only. So I'm teaching for grade 11 at the same time 12th also. So simultaneously these points. So I hope in previous videos, live classes, you can observe electricity I explain. So you including concept and problems also. So the series will start after 3-4 days. Then you can join electricity. I'm explained like I'm preparing for J. Okay, done. Definitely, we'll work out on it. So, and 6 o'clock, you can join at 6 o'clock. So, I'm teaching 11th grade topics, grade 11 topics. Every day 6 o'clock, grade 11. Every day 9 p.m. So, grade 10 and 12. Even in the morning 11 a.m. Morning 11 a.m. also, I'm teaching for a grade 10 and 11. Sorry, grade 11, grade 10 and 12. Okay, done. So come to the point. If the object is placed between F and P, object is placed between F and P, F and P, F and P, F and P, image will form behind the mirror. 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 Place the object, image will form. Place the object, image will form. Place the object, image will form. Okay, so if you place the object, image will form. Where you place the object? Between F and P. Where you place the object? Between F and P. Where is the image? Behind the mirror. Where is the image? Behind the mirror. What is the nature of the image? Nature of the image. Virtual erect. So, image is formed behind the mirror. Behind the mirror. Behind the mirror. Behind the mirror. So, nature of the image is virtual erect and enlarge, 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 virtual erect and enlarged. Okay, virtual erect and enlarge, very, very important. 3 mark question, definitely for exam it will come. So if it comes, remember my name, student the brand, come and say thank you. Okay. Say like, boss. At least say thumb. Okay, then we'll see. So here, if the object is placed between F and P, object is placed. Definitely, I'm saying object is placed. If you place the object, remember one thing. This is Siva sir. So channel name is Student the brand. Question is, if the object is placed between F and P, image will form behind the mirror. In your exams, slip test, unit test, midterm, free final. So what are the exams it is there? How many exams they are conducting? If this question is not there, if this question is not there, if the question paper comes from light reflection and refraction, if this question is not coming, if this question is not there in our paper, come and ask. I will guarantee you, definitely this question will come. Definitely, I am showing, I am telling, definitely, this is my, what we can say, this is, okay. So, fine. So, object is placed between F and P, image will form behind the mirror. Very, very important, because that much important is this one. Many times, many times. So, how many times we don't know. So, that much important is practice and go. If you are going to the exam hall, blindly, focus, prepare and go. Definitely this question will come. In our exam, I am already saying, what are the exams? Slip test, unit test, midterm, half-yearly, quarterly, annually, even board exams. This is my word. Definitely this type of related to this one. There are 3-4 points are there. Dentist, pharmacist, and the same time, so related to this question, there are many points will come, okay. What are the points? So if you place the object in a concave mirror, you will get virtual erect and enlarged image. First point. Second point, so the person is standing in front of the mirror. A person is standing in front of the mirror. So legs are smaller, head is normal, body is bigger. Okay, so which type of mirror it is? So related to this one, point number one. So in concave mirror, virtual erect image will get, virtual erect and enlarged image will, where you place the object. So dentist will observe the teeth of the patient. Dentist will observe the teeth of the patient. Where is the position of the object? Position of the object between F and P. Where image will form? Behind the mirror. What is the nature of the image? Virtual erect and enlarged. Image. Very important. I am saying, my name is Siva sir. My channel name is Student Ibrahim. This question will come in exams. Underline this word. Okay, so dentist. So this type of question. And if you are standing in front of the mirror, so it appears like a enlarged image. So that question also there. One more question also there. And one more. Sometimes it happens. So it's required also. Okay, the object is placed between F and P. Image will form behind the mirror. What is the nature of the image? Virtual erect and enlarge. Keep in mind. Definitely. Okay. So next one we are going to this one. Next question. No, I saw many times in many exam papers. So even board exam papers, I saw this question. So because many times they are giving this question. The problem is students are not able to draw the diagram. So many times we inform also that question is very important. In exam we will get, so practice many times. So draw on the paper. So still they will draw in front of us. So whenever we say, after that, so they will forget about it. Okay. So before exams also, even we inform before annual exams also, we will inform that question will come, practice. But still the problem is, so whenever we say the listening is extraordinary, so marvelous way, like that we will listen. But practicing also will be there. But before exams, during exam, so in the exam time, so we will not do properly. Like sometimes lines, so they may take normal lines, dotted lines will not consider, and in nature sometimes. See, related to this question I said. So not only exactly the question, they will go related to this question. So questions will come. Okay, like a dentist, so and a shaving mirror, like these questions will come. So that is the reason. Many times we are saying that much important. So try to practice also. Why it is not happening? Like with a small intention, that's enough, nothing else. So remaining everything is same. Okay. Under what condition? See, I already said, just now only I said, see here. See that. Just now I said that question will come. So this is another question related to the same concept. Related to same concept. Now you tell. Now you tell. Is it necessary? The way I am explaining? Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes or no? Under what conditions? Under what condition a concave mirror produces virtual and magnified image? Draw a labeled ray diagram to show the formation of image. So in the above case, that's enough, no? Yes. Hence proved. That's enough. Keep in mind, this is Siva sir. That is the channel. In exams comes, in your exam, I said slip test, unit test, annual, midterm, post midterm, whatever exams, definitely keep in mind. Okay, then come to the point. How can you see? Just now I said, how can you identify the 3 types of mirrors without touching? Another question. Just now I said this is another question. Yes, important, very, very important. Many times, 100 times, infinity times, you can keep in front, no, you can multiply. How can you identify the 3 types of mirrors without touching it? Without touching it, so you have to identify the 3 mirrors. How can you identify? How can I identify? Tell me. First point. So if the object, so if you are standing in front of the mirror, virtual erect and same size. We are not touching the mirror, but if you are standing in front, or if you place any candle or any object in front of the mirror, if it is a virtual erect and same size, plain mirror. First one, virtual erect and same size is plain mirror. 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 Plain mirror. Second one, virtual erect and same size plain mirror. And second one, virtual erect and diminished. Namaste, sir. Hey, hi. Anisha. So, hi. What is your name? Anisha only? Okay, welcome to the class. So, student the brand. My name is Siva, sir. I am teaching physics. Samaj. Yeah. Okay, done. So, next one. So if you place the object in front of the mirror, mirror forms virtual erect and diminished. Virtual erect and diminished is convex mirror. Virtual erect and diminished convex mirror. Without touching mirrors, how can you identify? So if you are taking the plane mirror like this, so if you are placing the object, image will form here. So same size. Virtual erect and same size. Virtual erect and same size. Virtual erect and same size, right? So first one. Coming to the second one. So convex mirror, virtual erect and diminished. Convex mirror, virtual erect and diminished. And a concave mirror. Just now I said, just before 1 minute I said, concave mirror, virtual erect and enlarged image. Virtual erect and enlarged image. Virtual erect and enlarged image, where you have to place the object between F and P, where image will form behind the mirror. What is the image? Nature. Virtual erect and enlarged. Virtual erect and enlarged. Enlarged image. What type of image? Virtual erect and enlarged image. Keep in mind, right? Okay. So another diamond question. Another like a diamond question. One wants to see a magnified image of an object in a mirror. What type of mirror should use? Tell me. Diamond, like a diamond question. Like a diamond. One wants to see a magnified image of an object in a mirror. What type of mirror should use? Tell me. What is a mirror? Concave mirror. What is a mirror? Concave mirror. So if the object is placed in front of the mirror, So we will get real inverted image enlarged, virtual erectant enlarged. So one more question. A person uses concave mirror for shaving. Just now I said, right? This is another question. So this is the proof, live proof. This is live class. I am teaching physics. Myself, Siva sir. This is the student in the brand. This is the question related to concave mirror. Keep in mind, oh my god. Again with that fire may not come. With that fire, with that intensity may not come, but still I'll explain. So here a person uses concave mirror for shaving. Where should he position his image in front? So between C. So object is placed. So your object is placed. I am taking the concave mirror like this. This is a concave mirror. So pole, focus, center of curvature. Object is placed between F and P. One light I am taking, it passes through focus. So another light I am taking at the pole. So it reflects. If you are taking like this, the image will form behind the mirror. Image will form behind the mirror. So nature of the image, virtual erectant. Hi, Tanishka, how are you? Welcome to the class. Welcome to the student in the brain. So here in this case, virtual erectant enlarged image will form. Keep in mind. So a man standing in front of mirror finds his image having a small head. Another diamond question. Another diamond question, extraordinary question, marvelous question, mind-blowing question. Very, 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 very important. Keep in mind. Remember this question. This is Siva sir. This question will come in exam. A man standing in front of a mirror find his image having a small head, fat body, legs are normal size. What is the shape of the mirror? Once again, listen carefully. A man standing in front of a mirror find his image having a small head, having a small head, small head, small head, fat body, fat body, fat body, legs are small, legs are small. What is this type of mirror? What is this type of mirror? Tell me first. If you know the answer, let me know. I will tell you. Now you see, observe the question. See, just now I given. So immediately on a consequence in a row, these questions came right in a row, in a row, in a row, continuously. Whatever I said, whatever I said. This is the live class. This is Sivasa. This is the student the branch channel. These are the questions. Example for concave mirror. Concave mirror related to last case. Concave mirror. Last case. Object is placed between F and P. Object is placed between F and P. So image is virtual erectant, enlarged image. Virtual erectant, enlarged image. So here a man standing in front of a mirror. A man standing in front of the mirror. So finds small head, fat body, legs are small. So what type of mirror? So until here convex mirror. Until here convex. So this is fat, concave mirror. Concave mirror. So concave mirror. Sir, how can we identify? How can we identify like this? However you wish you are writing, how it is possible, how you will get these mirrors? Let me know, sir. Tell me, sir. So I won't agree, sir. I won't accept, sir. Because so how it is possible, sir? Here convex mirror, here concave mirror, here plane mirror. How can you say directly like this? How you will write? How it is possible? You can ask questions. You can ask questions. I will take. I will say yes. See. So legs, head is very small. Head is very small. Head is very small. In convex mirror, what type of image will form? Virtual erectant, diminished image. Virtual erectant, diminished image. Right? So small head, yes. And concave mirror, as I said, related to this question, as I said, just now I said, right? Yes or no? This is a live proof, right? This is the live proof, live question. This is the question. See. This is my notes. I wrote with my own hands. This is the question. A man standing in front of a mirror finds his image having a very small head, a fat body, and a legs of normal size. What is the shape of the see. You can observe now. You can see top part of the mirror, middle part of the mirror, bottom part of the mirror. Until this question comes in exam, you won't recognize how much important it is. The value of time when we miss it only, then only we will recognize. So now you remember. So this is Siva sir. This is a live class. This is a live proof. This question will come in exam. Keep in mind. So how many questions came related to one concept? It is only one man show. The entire movie depends only one man, one person. Then we can say this is one man show. Here also one man show. That is concave mirror. The position is where the object is placed between F and P. F and P. Where is the image? Where is the image will form? Behind the mirror. Behind the mirror. What is the nature of the image? Virtual, erect, and enlarged. Virtual, erect, and enlarged. Enlarged. Yes, enlarged image. Keep in mind, this question will come in exam. This is Siva sir. This is the student in the brand. The concave mirror. Next question. Hold a concave mirror in our hand and direct it reflect the surface towards the sun. So actually this activity, Dhanush, hi. Hi ma. So Anish, yes, thank you. Okay, so we'll go to the next few problems are there. Problems we have to do related to this one. See, for solving, again I'm saying, for solving the problems, I will tell an easy way. Easiest way to identify the problems, to solve the problems. Okay. So once if you follow these methods, the so according to me, these methods are standard method, very, very strong bond, okay, between one point to another point. It's a strong link between one point to another point. So like that points I'll give. What is your doubt? What is your name? So can I know your name? So you're a good name. So then I can call you on your name. So what is your name? Yeah, of course, definitely you can ask doubt. So you are saying yes, some name is there. Can I know your name, please? So you are asking, sir, please doubt. Yeah, I agree, 100% I'll accept. Your name. Then I can't call our name, you can ask doubt. Okay, then come to the point. It's an object question. An object, 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 an object is placed, an object is placed, an object is placed at a distance, at a distance, at a distance, at a distance of 10 centimeter, of 10 centimeter from a convex mirror, from a convex mirror, convex mirror, convex mirror of focal length, of focal length, focal length 15 centimeter, 15 centimeter. Find the position, find the position Find the position and nature of the image. And nature of the image. Nature of the image. Nature of the image. So that's enough. So we have to identify. Actually, radius of curvature. So Brown. So what is your name? Can I know your name? Brown. Some name is there. So radius of curvature. What is the radius of curvature? The distance between center to the pole. Center to the pole. Do pole is there? Pole is there? Pole is there for mirror? Pole is there for mirror? So no. Will light rays will converge by plane mirror? Light rays will be converged by the plane mirror, right? So P equal to the form. So you asked Robin, I hope. Yes, you said Robin. Yes. See here, you asked one question. So you asked one question. What is that question? So why focal length is infinite? Normally, so power equal to 1 by f. Okay, power. So whenever the light rays are incident, so it is not converging. Light rays are not converged. Light rays are not converged. Light rays are not converged. Okay, so it won't. So focal length, if you are taking here, power is 0. Power is 0. So 1 by f. So f equal to 1 by 0. 1 by 0. 1 by 0 is infinity, not defined. So 0 by anything is 0 by anything is 0. But 1 by 0 is infinity. Power of plane mirror is 0. That's why focal length is infinity. Is it clear? Is it correct? So thank you so much. Say one thank you. That is what I want from you. If you get if you get to know your doubt, so your doubt is clear, say one thank you. Give one like. That's enough. That is what I want from you. This is Siva sir. Keep in mind. Channel name is Student the Brand. Okay, done. Come to the point. Next one. We are on little bit okay, full in swing. So try to work out on it. Try to work out on. See, definitely I will give. See, extraordinary content, marvelous content. So once you listen the class, definitely you will no, the concept will fix in your mind. The concepts will be fixed in your mind. So the type of questions, how they will ask in exam. So how they will ask in exam, how to answer, how many ways they can ask the questions. How many ways they can answer the question. So all the ways, maximum we will cover in all the ways, in all the direction. So scattering of light is nothing but scattering of light. Okay, it's fine. Okay, fine. Let them. So it's okay, fine. Okay, Ayush, don't worry about it. So focus on the class. So we work out on the class. We do our work. That's enough. So if you are along with me, definitely we will work out. So if not, no problem. Nothing will happen. So don't worry about it. Don't take too tension. Okay. So too much. So work out on concept. Work out on problems. Work out on okay. So class. So one point. If you attend the class, definitely I'm saying extraordinary content. You will get it. Okay. So you cannot, the questions cannot escape from the concept like that, and all directions maximum will cover all the directions. So depend on your hard work. So how you are doing, how best you are taking the concept, it depends. How best you are taking, how much you are taking. Okay. So it depends on you. Hello sir, how are you? I am Deepak, your old student from. Very nice to see you again. Hi everyone. Okay na? So welcome to the class. So thank you so much. So those who are attending and saying hi to me, thank you so much. I'm very proud of you. So definitely. Okay, come to the point. So everyone come to the point. So I hope you want something. Let me know definitely from my end. So what best I can do, I will do it. So I don't know your name, so you wanna know like that you mentioned. So definitely I will agree. I'll accept. So try to ask a doubt related to subject. So I am doing so much hard work. Try to understand. If you are supporting me, definitely I am very happy. Definitely I am very happy. Okay. So try to attend the class, work out on the concept. Okay. So try to understand. Thank you so much. Okay, done. Come to the point. Next one. An object placed at a distance of 10 centimeter from a convex mirror of focal length is 15 centimeter. Find the position and nature of the image. 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 So here you can see. Here you can see one thing. Here you can see one thing. Okay, so an object is placed at a distance. An object is placed at a distance. So immediately see, as soon as you see, as soon as you see, so as soon as you see, as soon as you see, an object is placed at a distance 10 centimeter. 10 centimeter, an object is placed at a distance of centimeter 10 centimeter for convex mirror. So by seeing the convex mirror, you should keep in one thing in mind: the diagram. So immediately by seeing the mirror, you should get that one. Whether the diagram is correct or not. The diagram is correct or not. So whether related to object, related to the question. So the diagram is correct or not. How can I draw the diagram? So first to draw the diagram roughly. Okay, you have to draw the rough diagram first. So an object is placed at a distance 10 centimeter from a convex mirror of focal length. So first to draw the rough diagram. So related to light reflection and refraction, chapter. So diagrams are the heart of the topic. So what about remaining? Okay, na? So brain everything, because so that much important it is. So heart of the topics. Okay. So no refraction takes place. It moves along the normal lines. If the light ray is moving along the normal line, so it passes in the same direction. So no refraction takes place. And one more thing. So that is one point. The second point is the refractive index of two mediums. N1 refractive index equal to N2. If two mediums refractive index same means, then also no refraction takes place. Yeah, any glass slab or anything. You can take, any medium you can take. So only two cases, no refraction takes place. Case number 1, if the light ray passes along the normal line. Case number 2, if the light ray passes along the normal line, no refraction takes place. Second one, if the two mediums refractive index is same. Then no refraction. Clear? Done? Convex mirror, already if the object is at infinity, that is virtual image, right? Virtual focus, right? Okay. Virtual focus, it won't form on the screen, right? We cannot make it fall on the screen. Virtual image. Only real image. Only the reflected light rays meet only, then we can find out the focal length. We can find out the focal length. Those light rays we are extending. Those light rays we are assuming. Those light rays will meet at infinity. So object is placed at infinity. Image will form at focus. Okay, done. Come to the point. So remember, here I am taking convex mirror. Done. So object is placed. Object is placed at a distance of 10 centimeter. So this is the pole. So this is the focus and the center of curvature. Pole, focus and center of curvature. So the distance between object. This is the object from object to pole. That is 10 centimeter. And focal length is how much? The distance between pole to focus is 15 centimeter. Clear? 15 centimeter. Find the position and nature of the image. So I will tell one thing. Why does light ray incident on a rectangle glass slab immersed in an any media emerges parallel to itself? Huh? Okay, fine. So let me work out on it. Then I will come to your question. Okay. So Dhanush, let me work out on it. Here you can see. So very important. I will tell few points. I will tell extraordinary few points. So marvelous few points. If you remember these few points, if you work out on these few points, so whatever I am telling, if you follow these points, any problem with the fingertips I am telling, with the fingertips you can do it, with the fingertips you can do it, definitely that type of points I am saying. So keep in mind. So point number one, which mirror it is? Convex mirror. So image immediately the image you have to get it. So image must be strike in your mind. Image must be strike in your mind. So first point. Second point. So object distance, image distance. Answer. Answer point number one. Point number one, object distance. Object distance always, whether you take it is convex mirror or concave mirror, convex lens or concave lens, whatever the lens it is, whatever the mirror is, always object distance must be negative. Object distance must be negative. Keep in mind only one thing, object distance is always negative. Okay, so object distance how much? Minus 10 centimeter. 10 centimeter. What about focal length? How much is the focal length? How much is the focal length? Focal length is 15. Positive or negative? Focal length is positive. Why we have to take focal length is positive? According to the sign conventions. So the focus of the convex mirror is this side. Okay, so focus will be here, right? After incidenting, light rays we are extending. Those light rays are meeting at one point on the focus. The distance between focus to pole is called focal length. The distance between focus to pole is called focal length. The distance between focus to pole is called focal length. So where in which side the focal length is there? So in the direction of incident rays. In the direction of incident rays, what all the distance? All distance are positive. So I sang a one song. New Cartesian sign convention. New Cartesian sign convention. All distance measure from the pole. Distance are positive along the instant rays. Distance are negative opposite to instant rays. Distance are positive above the principal axis. Distance are negative below the principal axis. New Cartesian sign convention. New Cartesian. Okay. So what are you taking along the incident rays? All are positive along the incident rays. All distance are positive opposite incident rays. All distance are negative above the principal axis positive, below the principal axis negative. So you are considering positive x-axis, positive y-axis, negative x-axis, negative y-axis. All measurement will be taken from the coordinate axis. So anyway, you are very familiar. So very familiar with this graph. So anyway, all measurement will be taken from the origin in the direction of positive x-axis, positive y-axis, negative x-axis, negative y-axis. So here also same thing, as it is same. Only one point is same, remaining as it is same. What is that? Here we will say origin, there we will say pole. That's enough. Remaining everything as it is same. Both are same. Both are same. Both are same. Others no block. So what is your name? Hi, others. Both are same. Keep in mind, this is Sivasa, this is the student, the brand. So if you get the concept, if you like this video, say one thank you, one like. Drop a thank you and one like. That's enough. Right? So that's enough. This is Siva sir. This is the student the brand channel. if you like this content, if you like my explanation, if you like the content, if you are getting the content, if you are understanding the class, if you are getting the content in a right way, so if you are remembering the content, so keep that one, say one thank you, say one like. Finish. Okay, done. So all measurements will be taken from the pole in the direction of inside positive, opposite inside negative, above the principal axis positive, below the principal axis negative. Right? Yes, done. So now you can say, so here focal length is positive or negative? Positive. Positive only. Only positive. All are, see actually, so always be positive. That's very, very important. Okay, so here f equal to, so plus, actually I want to say one live quotation, so because already it is too much time, so shall I say or shall I go to the concept? Let me finish the point, because see, once I enter into that one, so it takes minimum certain some time. So very good, Robin. Excellent. Thank you so much. Okay, so I'll give one like. Thank you so much. So here object distance is negative, focal length is positive. So now they are asking to find out the image position. So image position they are asking to find out. What is the image position? We have to find out. So we have to find out. What is the formula? Mirror formula. So 1 by f equal to 1 by v plus 1 by u. 1 by f equal to 1 by v plus 1 by u. So I said others hi. So hi. Everyone hi. Now you are saying everyone hi. Okay, done. Now you substitute the values, everybody. Come on, quick. So substitute the values, will get the answer. So now you can say 1 by f equal to 1 by 15 equal to 1 by v plus minus of minus 10. If it is goes this side, so 1 by v equal to, so 1 by 10 plus 1 by 15. Now you take LCM. So we'll get LCM. How much is LCM? So 10, 15. So you can take 5 2 ja, 5 3 ja. So 10, that is the LCM. So 3 plus 2, that is 1 by v. So that is equal to v equal to 30 by 5. That is nothing but 6 centimeter. So sir, you got 6 centimeter. How can you identify, how much sure your answer is correct? I will say your answer is wrong. I will say your answer is wrong. How can you prove? How can you prove it? Whatever you did, it is correct. Tell me, how can you prove it? How can you prove it? Your answer is correct. I will 100% prove. I will 100% prove whatever I did, that is correct. Whatever I did here, it is correct. I am 100% guarantee. How? Sir, I will tell one thing I already said. Point number 1, I said few points I will tell. Hey, hi, Jamil Khan, hi. So I said I will tell few points, very strong points, extraordinary points. Once you remember these points, you can do any problem with fingers on your finger hands. Okay, on your fingers. On your fingers. Yes or no? I said right. Now you see. So an object is placed at a distance of 10 centimeter from convex mirror. What is that mirror? Convex mirror. What is that mirror? Convex mirror. What is that mirror? Convex mirror. Convex mirror. Correct? Diagram. Immediately you should get the diagram. How the diagram is there? Related to given data. According to the given data, what is the diagram? You have to get it. You should get immediately. The picture should display when you type in your okay na. So Google your doubt automatically there are so many pages. Like that so many pages will come right here also. Whenever you read the question, whenever you see the mirror, immediately related to that, you should get the image. First point. Second point, object distance Focal length. So object distance is 10 centimeter. Focal length is 15. Object distance 10 centimeters here. Always, second point I'm saying, keep in mind, second point, very, very important. Second point. Second point. Object distance is negative. Object distance is negative. Mirror or lens. It is concave mirror, convex lens, concave lens. Whatever the lens it is, whatever the mirror is, always keep in mind one thing. Object distance is negative. Object distance is always negative. Keep in mind. Very, very important. So object distance I placed, focal length I placed. And so 1 by f equal to 1 by v plus 1 by u. So substitute the values. Substitute the values. Substitute the values. That's enough. So after taking the sign conventions, I already said. So focal length is positive or negative. Focal length is positive or negative. Focal length is positive or negative. So remember my song. Remember my song. I will sing for you. 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 New Cartesian sign convention. New Cartesian sign convention. All distance measure from the pole. Distance are positive along the instant trace. Distance are negative opposite to instant trace. Distance are positive above the principal axis. Distance are negative below the principal axis. New Cartesian sign convention. New Cartesian sign convention. So here object image distance we got 6. So focal length is 15. In convex mirror always image will form between P and F. So image if you draw here, the image will form between P and F. So object distance, image distance how much? Image distance how much? Image distance is 6. So image will form here. Image distance. So our answer is correct or wrong? Our answer is correct or not? If you like this explanation, I said, say one thank you. Click on like button. That's enough. Okay, na? So this is about the concept. So I said few important points. I said those are point number 1, mirror image. Point number 2, sign conventions. So object always negative. So fix in our mind by seeing the object distance, by closing eyes. First put the negative symbol, then you draw the value. Then next one. Mirror formula, substitution, calculation. So check the final answer with your diagram. 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 Now you say, before starting I said, these points are very strong points. Very, very strong points. If you follow these points, so you can do problems with the confident. You can do problems. Okay. So this is Siva sir. My channel name is, keep in mind, Student the Brand. If you like this explanation, say one thank you and click on like button. So that's enough. So I hope still I can So we are expecting to do many problems. Actually here, nature I said no, nature of the image, virtual erect and diminished. Always virtual erect and diminished only. Virtual erect and diminished. So Robin, so I hope you have many doubts. I can understand. So I agree with your questions. So you're asking questions. I'm very happy for that. You are joining and attending my class and asking number of questions in a row, in a continuous manner. So definitely I can no, I will answer to your questions. So but see these points, whatever I'm saying. So if I answer to your questions, this concept. So these concepts are extraordinary questions, extraordinary concept. So if I miss that flow, so maybe those who are listening with a high intensive mode, they may miss the sequencing. So that is the reason. So I'm not able to answer your questions. So if you need explanation of that concept, explanation of your questions, so send a message, WhatsApp message to this number. Okay, so 984981280. So I will answer to your questions. Definitely I will answer to your questions. So if you take classes, so you'll get extraordinary content from me. So this is Siva sir from Student the Brand. Okay, so definitely you'll get the content, extraordinary content you'll get. Definitely. Okay, so you won't regret it first. By taking the classes from me, you won't regret it. Definitely you'll be happy. So definitely extraordinary content you'll get it. So in all possible ways, I'll explain. So each and every question, each and every concept, okay, how they will ask, how we have to write. So like over 10 years of experience in teaching physics, then definitely in all the board papers, how they will ask. So which type of questions they will ask. So like that, we already we went through all the process, right? So we can get it. So I will say I said no. I will answer all your questions. I will answer whatever you ask. Definitely I'll answer questions. So contact to this number. So my name is Siva sir. Contact to this number. How many questions you post? 1,000 questions if you post also, I will answer your questions. So post as many questions if you want to post. Take my number. There is a WhatsApp number is there on it. So take the WhatsApp number. So pose your doubts in that. I will answer your questions. And if you want the classes, take the classes. So for you only. So I will explain infinity questions. If you ask also, definitely I will. Okay. So with the time limited, we are working under time limited, right? We can't work 24/7. We are human beings. We need some rest and things to do. So within time limited. So how many questions I can able to answer? Definitely I will answer. So if you want classes, physics classes, you can take physics classes. You post. You can ask. Any number of questions. Any number of questions. I am ready to answer your questions. Because so remaining students also, they are waiting for the classes. They are waiting for the content. So that's why I'm explaining to everyone. So you can try to excuse me not for not answering your questions, right? So I hope you understand. I hope you will understand. I hope you will understand. So I am hoping for that. Hoping for the best. Okay, so that's enough. So these are the one more thing. Again, I'm saying extraordinary. It's like a strong bond. Okay, na strong link. Strong link is there. So if you follow that link, you can solve any question. Point number one. Mirror image. Interlink. Link. First point. Second point. Object distance always negative. Blindly, without thinking anything. Blindly you can take. If anything is there, if anything else is there, sir, you are saying like this. Keep in mind, myself Siva sir. I am Shiva sir. I am Siva sir from Student the Brand. I am Siva sir from Student the Brand. You can ask at any time. You can come and ask. Sir, you said object distance is negative. When I'm solving, it is getting wrong. How it is possible? How can I take? You can come and ask. You can come and question me. Definitely how to take object distance negative. Next one. Focal length for a convex mirror. So exclusively it depends on the mirrors. What mirror you consider. So it depends. So for concave mirror it is negative, for convex mirror it is positive. Positive I am taking. So mirror formula 1 by, hi Srikar, how are you? Okay, so long back that day you came and said, so hi. So after that you didn't attend. So I am waiting for you. So attend to the classes. Okay, so I'm explaining the content in all the best possible ways. So okay na? Done. So 1 by f equal to 1 by b plus 1 by u. So I'm taking here. So object distance is negative. Substitute the values. So I already said one more thing. Last question is very, very important. Last question. What is that last question? Last question is very, very important. What is that? How much you are sure? Okay. How can you say your answer is correct? If anyone asks you, okay now. So hit the bench very hard and tell the answer like this way. What is that? Very hard you can hit the bench. You can hit the bench. Okay now. So you can hit the bench and say the answer. My answer is correct. How? If the object is placed here, image will form between, see, finite object. If object is placed at infinity, image will form at focus. Second case, object is placed between P and infinity, image will form between P and F. P and F. So here only. What is the focal length? 15. What we got? Image distance 6. Correct or wrong? Correct or wrong? You say me. Correct or wrong? You only say me. Then I will say. Any questions? Any doubts? Okay, thank you so much for everyone for joining the class, attending the class. So if you like this content, so drop a one comment. So for say by saying thank you, and if you like this video, click on like button, and still, so along with you, your friends want to grow, or if your friends want to learn the concept, means if you think, send this video to your friends also. Send this link, send this like a live class link to your friends, so they can watch. Anyway, now class I'm going to end the class, so at least they can learn by watching the video. So every day at 9 p.m. so come and join to the class. So remember my name, remember the student, the brand, inform your friends, let them join. Definitely best content. Okay, so with my bottom of heart I'm saying, I'm saying, by listening the class, definitely you'll remember the concept. Definitely you can write well exam with your hard work. So whatever I am saying, so how much hard work I am doing, so I will do. But from your end also, you have to tell. Do you teach 11th grade? Yes, I am taking classes also. I said no, take my number, remember my name, remember the channel name, student the brand. Come and join with me. Together we will work. Okay. Definitely will do it. Right? So if anyone, so final message to all, final announcement. So anyone want classes regarding all subject, so physics I will only take. So physics, like maths, social, English, chemistry, in all languages. So I had a great team. Extraordinary team members are there. So great faculty members are there from 5 years to 10 years experience. 5 years to 10 years experience. Myself, I am Siva sir. So I completed B.Tech. So I am mechanical branch. I had a great 10 years experience. So I am adding to my profile. So 10 years experience in physics teaching. My channel name is Student the Brand. So I am the, okay na. So I am only taking care about my Student the Brand channel. Okay. So if you want any classes related to physics, 6 class, 7th class. Right now I am working in Student the Brand. As I said, I'm for my brand, for my institution, I'm working with the experience of 10 years. So I'm working with I said no, that is my profile. I already said 10 years experience, and so Student the Brand. So B.Tech mechanical. So myself, Shiva sir. So I hope, okay, na? So come and join with me. We'll work together. Okay, so we'll do war. Okay, definitely we'll win in exams. So whatever the exam it is, whether it is board exam, whether it is competitive exam, any exam, so come and no, just say hi and discuss with me if you have any doubts. So this is my contact number 984981804. This is my contact number. Share this link to your friends and those who need, those who want classes, and inform to your friends. So spread a one word regarding my student the brand channel. Okay, so if you like this content, yeah, definitely. Vector, see, Vector in the 6 o'clock time. So today, 6 o'clock, you can watch my live class. So live class is there in YouTube channel. You can check I explained related to text vectors, vector types, that 12 vectors. Okay. So vectors type I explained. So 12 vectors type. So all types of vectors, 12 vectors like equal vector, negative vector, zero vector, unit vector, null, localized vector, non-localized vector. Okay, so all 12 types of vectors I explained. So you can watch my live class. Then you can, if you like this, if you like that video, so you can contact to me. So on this number, we'll work out on your 11th grade. Okay, definitely. So if you take classes, so definitely you will get the concept clear. Okay, so you will work out on your exams. Okay, still I'm saying one more thing. So regarding remaining subjects also, I'm telling remaining subject faculty members also there in my team. So 5 to 10 years experience faculty members are there. Okay, related to all subject faculty members are there. If you want any subject classes, so contact to that number, So definitely you'll get great content. Okay, so sir, why you are not saying you'll get this many marks, you'll get that many marks? So from my end, what you get, I can say, because we had a great experience, so by joining with us, then you can do rock, you can do well. That guarantee will give. Definitely will improve your subject. Definitely, so you'll satisfy with the content. Definitely, you will be happy. Okay, so that much guarantee I can give, because so we know that. So by yes, I'm in 11th grade. Definitely, Robin. Definitely, you can. That's what I'm saying. No, you can see my live class. So if you are if you are worrying about it, you can join. You can see my live class today. I explain scalars and vectors for grade 11. Especially for grade 11 students, I explained today evening. 6 p.m. 6 p.m. live class is there. So you can check once. The live class only for especially for grade 11 students, that too scalars and vectors. Explain. Just check the live class video, and if you like that video, just I already said. So I'm giving right with a open. So with an open talk, open discussion, I'm telling, right. So you can, after seeing the video only, you can come and talk with me. So you can message to me. That is my number also. I said 984981804. So I hope this much enough, right? Still anything, any doubt regarding the classes, regarding remaining subject also? I'm saying not only physics. So if you want the remaining classes also, you can talk to me. So you can drop a one word. So you can message to me. Regarding any subject. So 6 to 12, physics, chemistry, biology, English, social, Hindi. So any subject classes, French, so languages, and our main streams, maths, physics, chemistry, okay na, biology. So these main streams, if you want, so any subject, classes you want, so you contact to this number 98498120804. So we'll talk. So I will talk with you. So based on our discussion, based on our discussion with you, okay, definitely we'll work out on it. So remember my name, Student the Brand. So remember the channel name, Student the Brand. If you like this explanation, if you like this video, so please say thank you and click on like button. So if you wish to your friends also want to learn, your friends want to, so yourself, you feel, you wish your friends also can learn. Okay, your friends want to learn, your friends want to grow. Okay, so you can share to them, you can inform to them, you can drop a one word. Okay, you can inform one word to your friends also, ask them to join. Still, if they want to learn physics, especially grade 10 physics, like in it, so 4 chapters, whatever of topics are there, so ask them to join at 9 o'clock. At 9 o'clock. At 9 o'clock. You can see this face, you can see the explanation, you can see my channel. Right? So this is your Seva sir. Thank you so much for joining and attending and asking questions and involving and encouraging and spreading a one word about Student in the Brand. Thank you so much. Signing off.